So you wanted to learn how to talk to the banks when they're in pre-foreclosure. Let's talk about it. Very simple, straight to the point, right? When you're calling these banks, credit unions, whomever is the trustee, or whoever you need to obtain that information from, you need to make sure that you're contacting the correct department. The regular 1-800 number to the customer service, that is not who will provide you with the accurate or current information. That department only handles the customer service side of things when you have just brief questions like, hey, what is my interest rate? Or, hey, what is this? That's it. And so you have to make sure you're contacting the current department, the correct department. And that department is the loss mitigation department or the foreclosure department, or sometimes referred to as the loss prevention department, right? And so once you contact them, there's some extra steps that you need to make sure that you have, such as authorization from the borrower, the owner, the seller, etc. And that authorization can come in two forms: either a verbal authorization or a written authorization. A verbal supersedes a written 100% of the time. And so if you're able to sit there with the owner and have that dialogue with him or her or they, hey, this is what we need to do in order to figure out what's going on with your loan, with the arrears, with the debt, etc., etc. We need to get in contact with the mortgage company and have this conversation. So I need authorization to speak on your behalf to obtain all this information so that we can structure and formulate the plan correctly so that we're able to move forward and you do not lose this house, right? And so that, simply put, is how you talk with these banks. They may seem big, scary, loud, but they're not. So make sure you reach out to the right department. Make sure you contact the right department. Make sure you have authorization. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see.